Welcome back to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is out for Miss D. Now she's sending this message to her and saying these things to her. Now, guys, for you to get the full understanding of what Marcia is saying, you would have to go and catch the video. And guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a beautiful day.
You live nowhere. When somebody have to walk through your blood clot grill for going in the backyard, you not capture. The piece of veranda where you have, it's not yours. You stretch it out and take it over because you want to rule people. People have to walk through your gate, and go to the backyard. Come a guy yard and see, So the neighbors them have to walk through your gate, You see how your blood clot controlling. The people them not like you. Remember one day I come there, one girl out of the gate. And I come there and when we drop off something. The girl said, no, I don't know which part today. You can't say the girl don't like you, none at all. We have a little shop right in front of your gate. Right to the right hand side. You can't cuss nobody. I ain't a tenement yard you live in. Eh? You can't cuss nobody. You can't cuss nobody right in front of your grill. There's a little hut. We're full of boy. You can't cuss nobody. About house and living and whatever it is. You can't cuss nobody. You call somebody stagnant. That's why I said last night, just stagnant. You is the one who's stagnant because you stagnant yourself right. They said where you plant yourself right there with stagnantness and workless girl. Workless girl will get opportunity to come out of ghetto and sit down there because you want to watch man dick when it belong to you. What about that? Stagnant girl will not have no sense. If you know, so when God give you a little leeway out, you go to somewhere else better. So you don't have to act like a ghetto, so you can learn from people who are established. You expect people who are established supposed to come around here and cut 10 with you. You know, sister, who you mix up with, pay blood clot, ghetto people in from foreign. Who you have in your life can motivate you. Eh? Blood clot, stagnant, blood clot, Enzel. She know nothing. She can't even get a fucking man of foreign. She have to come to Jamaica to take young boy, mind young boy. She can't get the man of foreign. Anybody want she? She has 60-year-old, she done right and now she can't even get a good fuck. She can't even fling up foot up in the air. What can she take? What can she take? You know, see every minute she at Jamaica. No man no want her either. When you come back, no man no want to know. Any man want to know? Man want me every day, man call to me. Kiss her for me. Me in a truck a drive. Me in a vehicle a drive. Me sit down, man a call her for me. Man a kiss, man a build. Anybody not kiss you? Eh? Una just sit down like a some blood clot whole cruff. And you love to call people big greyback. Eh? You're right for you call big, you call yourself. Use a greyback one. Cause your pussy grey and your back broad. You can't shave down there? You can't take a shave down there? Love to come talk about big greyback. Eh? Go look down there and see if your pussy not grey. Go look for your back and see your back broad. Your back is so fucking broad, full of love angle. Angle all left, right, and center. You can't, it have a blood clot 12 stairs to the hell. You can't climb by, you see your back look like a staircase. Or them bungalows up, coming. As stairs them, your blood clot back and heavy way over you. Full of stairs climbing up on top of you. Up to blood clot hell. So who the fuck you calling greyback? Eh? Who you calling greyback? Me sure no say me don't have no blood clot stairs climbing up my back. Me know that. Me know say me might not have no shape, but me know say your back broader than me. You understand? Me know say your one shape like a blood clot zinc. You understand? So don't come tell me, don't come talk about broad greyback. I mean know say your pussy grey. Cause no light no down there. You're not getting no blood clot sunshine like a breeze out. Because you always itch up on that blood clot tight shorts and tights. So me know say it all get moist. So it all get grey quick. Cause you not hear out. So you may know say your pussy grey. So you can't call nobody no grey no. You can't call nobody no. I want me straw. You can't call nobody no grey nothing. Eh? You want someone to come afraid of you. And you have the nerve to call the boy them for me. That's why me love what's his name. He might call out the boy name in the car. And the little old Siamese girl. Over so. And she tell him because you want. Me ain't gonna cost me now. Me ain't gonna cost me. Make a dip up under them blood clot. Them know so me can't dip up under them blood clot. My waste of time. Them a skettle. Me not have the time for local. And you me a focus on. Yes. Are you hoping at the scene? Me not have a time for trace off local. That them a trace off, well you a get it. And you are them blood clot master, so you get. Me not have a time for them. Them me not answer them. And you me a come out and come blood clot answer. Them are no big deal. Them a blood clot riffraff. Them a hearing blood clot sprat on your barracuda. You understand? And me's a big, nice, fat piece of salmon. So anybody if you get tracing, are you? Because that is what you do. You do dog whistling for them can trace me off and trace off other people. Well, the table of blood clot turn. You call them for me, I come off for your ass. Make sure to follow this page, people. Don't come sit down and follow. When you want to hear good things and good tracing, come over this blood clot, come follow back on me. Come right this up. No weapon formed against me shall prosper. Every tongue rise against me condemn in judgment. Talk to me. Rangatang woman. Talk to me. Come pull off your wig and look nice like me. Make a little old Gretel girl. Talk to me. Let me come see a nice, good quality here. Come talk to me. Come talk to me. I look like a blood clot movie star. Come talk to me. Talk to me. Talk to me. I'm telling you. Talk to me. Any day you can come on live and look like me, then you can talk. Go get a new makeup girl, can makeup me fit you. Go get a new makeup girl. Cause the makeup no fit you. All when me do my wig like this, me still look nice. Oh, the hairstyle are bad, me I tell you. Backside. The hairstyle are bad, no Ross. Me know me look like the BG girl them. Don't me look like the BG girls them? My girl. Talking about my girl. My girl, my girl, ooh. Don't me look, me look like, what the girls them called? No, don't me look like the girl in the 60s. Me look nice. My girl, talking about my girl, my girl. What you want? Baby, I got it. Boy, me look like a Beyonce tonight. What you need? All I'm asking for a little respect when I get home. R-E-S-P-C-T, take care of TFC. R-E-S, shaka. Mirrors, what a way me look nice. I who give me, me say mirrors, me look so sweet, thank you, me more money. Yes, me dear, don't give me little money. R-E-S-T, mirrors. What a way the hairstyle nice. Oh, don't give me little starry boy. Boy, me I tell you, so what a pretty girl. I'm so pretty. I tell you, I say the hairstyle just fit me so nice. Mirrors, I tell you, girl, you can't look like me. Hardly try me, I try to look ugly. Jesus just let me look pretty. It's amazing how sweet the name of Jesus sounds. Oh, free all thy I the lonely. Listen. No, sir. They can't manage me out there, though. Hello. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Laddie. Hello. They can't manage me out there. They can't. They can't manage me out there. Manage me. Let me free wine and come again. Me la le la lu mushiliki la mu. Why is I still laugh at me? Shut up your mouth, yeah? But why you don't call 99 and make up? But after me hate her. Me just not like her deceitful self and her lying lips. It's abomination to the Lord. I never tell nobody to hate that girl. I don't hate her and I don't jealous, but me have to put her in her place. Me not have no hate in me. Because me not got hell. There's no making up in nothing. Me not hate her. I'm not nothing at all. But me have to tell her the truth. So the makeup no this a makeup. Not a raw makeup. You understand? If she pass me on the road and say hi Marcia, me say hi Dana, I go my business. But me I come fix her business good and proper. Because she too fucking fool. And she show off too much. I mean I like people who's ungrateful to God. It's like she want to take all the credit for herself. Even showing the little house them around the town. She want to give herself the credit. She don't want to give her the credit and say I want her house. I don't want that against her. We are talking about makeup what? Makeup with what? She a blood clot man? Can make up with nothing? Me never make up for what? Me never know she make up for her face. So make up with what? Wait. Me not understand make up for what? What they make up? Then come on social media and they want this the program. You can't come this the program with me. You can't come up here come talk to people who live in America who work so hard. You know how many mothers are here on the day who are here living in furnished room for years and making sure that their kids are going to college and getting the best education. And some of them are so ungrateful that as soon as they leave college they get pregnant. And they're here. She know the same people with America living all kind of way. Me not live no life. Me not live no bad life America. Me living good. Places hard to find. I'm glad I'm in a position. Places very hard to find. Everywhere you go down, place hard to find. You have to make sure so you get the right place if you want to live the right place. Nobody not really move in a winter. It's the hardest thing to get house in a winter. Nobody not left. You know when apartment is going to come available in a June and July. That is when a lot of places are free, when contracts are up. I'm glad to get an opportunity where I can go and rent a nice place. I could have itch up in our Jamaica house right now. One furnished room. No, me not one suite. You understand? And a lot of people right now, they never seen anything like this before. They never expect. And that is the problem with them out of social media right now. They are stunned. Them never expect them Marcia. They'd have it like that, where I could lodge myself into an establishment and live here on a temporary basis. And that is what maddened them. Because them thought that I had nothing. They thought that I'm on welfare, me doing all of that, the thing that some I have nothing. And so what is burning them? They're like, oh, this girl is living in a hotel. How the fuck she get in a hotel? That's why they come down and talk about me on welfare. Until then when me go up to the front desk and the people them don't know, so me videotape them on live. And when they hear the people, when me ask people like, what? We don't take those things. We only take credit card and cash. And you can't even use cash in this place. They don't take cash. If you don't have a bank card, you can't even bring WhatsApp card, Cash App card in here. You have to have a valid, reputable bank card or a credit card. And that is what maddened them. They expect me to be at my cousin, laying in our couch or in our bed upstairs, or my sisters them. You understand? So what is their problem is that now I have been here in my nice, lovely suites. What you want to call it, suit or sweet, whatever you want to call it. Me have list them. And that is what bothering them, to see that I can be in a place like this, having my breakfast ready at morning time, housekeeping, gym, and swimming pool. So in their self, like, how the fuck did this girl afford these things? They're coming up with all kind of conclusions, and the conclusion they're coming up with is not valid. So that is what killing them. And then this is what killing them also. Every evening, from them know me, I go to a restaurant and buy food, and them never see me out of place. So they're wondering, where the fuck she get money from? When I pussy it and buy around here, God give it to me. Have faith and trust in the Lord. So that is what killing them out here. To know that I can live like this. So they're mad. And then them have a nerve cuss me and tell me about it. Oh, you're homeless. You can't call me homeless because me never own a house yet. You can't call me homeless. I never own a house. Me not have to get rich first of all buy a house. Me just have to live my life. So that is what killing these bitches. Where some of them itch up in a one little place and they can't even carry them man to get a good fuck. And the blood clot cheap man who I date with carry me to a cheap motel for fuck them. You understand? That is what it is. So I eat about them. You know how long me I travel? You think I to them me I travel? You think I to them me I travel and stay in a hotel?